Assalamualaikum all. I hope everyone will be good. जैसे आप सबको पता है मैंने ये जो चैनल बनाया है जेंडर स्टडीज़ ऑफिशियल पेज है। ये बेसिकली रिलेटेड करता है जो जेंडर स्टडी के मेन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, मेन टॉपिक्स हैं, उनके बेस पे मैंने ये चैनल स्पेशली उन लोगों के लिए बनाया है जो जिनको नहीं पता कि जेंडर स्टडी में कौन कौन से टॉपिक आते हैं, लाइक सीएसएस में, कमीशन में, सीएसएस के बेस पे जेंडर स्टडी प्ले मेड ग्रेट रोल इन दी सीएसएस। सो मैं ये कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि जो भी टॉपिक्स हैं उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा डिस्क्राइब करके आप लोगों के सामने रखा जाए ताकि आप लोग इससे थोड़ा फ़ायदा भी हासिल कर सकें और इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकें। तो आज मैं एक नए टॉपिक के साथ आया हूँ जो टॉपिक बेस्ड है द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ वुमेन इन गर्ल्स एजुकेशन। ये जो टॉपिक है ये बेसिकली रिलेट करता है वो पाकिस्तान के एजुकेशन सिस्टम से और वुमेन की क्या कंडीशन है इस एजुकेशन सिस्टम पे। आइए देखते हैं। So basically, there is a little bit definition according to the books. International Convention of Women includes some basic attempts of women education. The study is an attempt to investigate the impact of women's education and employment on their empowerment. Education is everybody's right. No girls, however poor, however desperate, had country situation to be excluded from school. Education saves and improves the lives of girls, women, ultimately leading to more equitable development, stronger families, better service, better child health. ये जो है सिंपल सी डिस्क्राइब की हुई डेफिनेशन है जो कि बताती है कि हमें एजुकेशन का कैसे इंक्लूड किया जाए, एजुकेशन के जो कन्वेंशन है कहाँ से आई है, ये सारी चीज़ें। ठीक है, आगे ये है कि इसकी थोड़ी छोटी सी डिस्क्रिप्शन है। देखें आप, enhancing economic development decades of research have found as an important link between the explosion of basic education economic development. Girls' education has an even more positive effect. Education for the next generation. Educated girls who have become mothers are more likely to send their children to school, passing on their multiplying benefits. The multiplier effect. Education has a positive influence in a child's life, from health to protection, HIV/AIDS, explorative labor, and trafficking. Healthier families, when the parents are educated, their children are better nourished and get sick less often. Fewer maternal deaths. Women who have been educated are less likely to die during the childbirth because they tend to have a fewer child, better knowledge of health service during the pregnancy at birth, and improve the nutrition. The multi-year effect. Education has a positive influence in the child's life, from the health to protection from the HIV, exploitative labor, and trafficking. These are very, we can say that these are very short description you can understand easily. I write down and you have to keep watch and write down on the copies. Poverty double edge for girls. This is a very short, you can say, short descriptions. A recent report on poverty found 135 billion children in the developing world between the age of 7 to 18 no educated at all, with the girls 50% more likely than boys to be so educational deprived. Educational deprivation and poverty so hand is in. This is the very important point you can see here. Uh, there is mention like this. This is very uh, very important point. You have to note that one. This now the alternative. What is the alternative? Alternative क्या है इसके बेस पे? Human rights, multi-sector model for development in an alternative approach to development that will allow world their rights to education से ये सारा जो है डिस्क्राइब किया है मैंने. वुमेन ओनरशिप को भी डिस्क्राइब किया है. वुमेन ओनरशिप क्या है, वुमेन ओनरशिप के रोल्स क्या है, वुमेन ओनरशिप ऑफ लैंड. द वुमेन ओनरशिप ऑफ लैंड और हाउस हैज बीन फाउंड पॉजिटिवली रिलेटेड विथ वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट. वुमेन having ownership of land or house are more probable to participate in decision regarding their own health care measure, household purchase, visit, family relations, spending of house earning, and contraceptive use is compared to those women who have no ownership of land and house. Women's age, place, residence, regions of residence, ownerships of land, house, and house, member of life, such gender of their house, heads, wealth, state of a woman household. These are all descriptions so you can see. Now the finally the conclusion of whole presentation is that the study has investigated the impact of women education and employment on their empowerment in the Pakistan by using household level survey data of PDHS. Women participate in decision making has been used as a proxy for women empowerment. Women participate in a decision regarding their own health care, visits to family relation, major household purchases, spending of household earnings, decision regarding the comparative we have been used alternative dependent variable to five different five different regressions. Uh, the depend variable and categorical variable with two possible outcomes. Example code as if a woman participates in household decision making, code as zero if a woman do not have participated in household decision making.